Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields for tasks or events in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you need to track specific information that isn't available in the standard fields, helping you tailor Salesforce to match your exact business requirements. Let's get started. First, you'll want to click the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. This icon opens up your main settings menu. From the dropdown that appears, select Setup. This takes you to the administrative hub where you can configure almost every aspect of your Salesforce environment. Once you're in the setup area, look for the Object Manager tab at the top of the page, positioned near the Home tab. Click on it to access Salesforce's Object Manager, which is where you'll manage all the different objects and their properties within your system. Now that you're in Object Manager, you'll see a quick find box. Type activity into this search box and select it from the results. The activity object is what controls both tasks and events in Salesforce, so any custom fields you create here will be available for both. After opening the activity object page, click on Fields and Relationships from the left menu. This section displays all existing fields associated with tasks and events, and it's where you'll add your new custom field to begin creating your custom field. Click the New button. This launches the field creation wizard that will guide you through the process step by step. The first decision you'll make is selecting your field type. Salesforce offers various options like text, number, pick list, date, checkbox, and more. Choose the type that best matches the kind of data you want to collect. For example, if you're tracking priority levels, a pick list would work well. Once you've selected your field type, click Next. Now you'll configure the field details. Enter a field label, which is the name users will see when they interact with this field. You can also set other properties here depending on your field type, such as character length for text fields or decimal places for number fields. When you're satisfied with your settings, click Next. The next screen controls field level security, which determines which user profiles can view and edit this field. Review the list of profiles and select the ones that should have access to this new field. This ensures that sensitive information is only visible to the appropriate users. Click Next to continue. You'll now choose which page layout should display your new field. Salesforce lets you add the field to task layouts, event layouts, or both. Select the appropriate layouts where you want this field to appear, then click Next. Finally, click Save to create your custom field. Your new field is now active and will appear on the page layouts you selected, ready to capture the specific information your team needs to track. And there you have it, you've successfully created a custom field for tasks or events in Salesforce, giving you greater flexibility in how you manage your activities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.